How to build a marketing calendar with AI. You know that feeling in early January when you realize you have no plan for what you're going to post all year? Most small business owners scramble every month, throwing things together last minute. Building a marketing calendar sounds like something only big companies do, but AI has made it doable, even if it's just you. Give AI context about your business. Open ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, or Claude, claude.ai, both free, and describe your year in plain language. Example, I run a small bakery in Austin. I'm busiest during Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and the holiday stretch. January and August are slow. What key dates should I plan around? The AI will return a structured list of seasonal moments and promotional windows you hadn't considered. It's pattern recognition, and it saves hours of staring at a blank spreadsheet. Here's the honest limitation. AI doesn't know your specific local market. It won't know about that street festival 2 blocks away that's your best marketing opportunity of the year. You have to tell it. Build a month-by-month framework. Ask, take those dates and build me a month-by-month marketing calendar. For each month, give me 1 main promotion, 2 content themes for social media, and 1 email idea. Keep it realistic for a one-person business. That last constraint matters. Without it, AI suggests workload assuming you have a full team. Drop this into a Google Sheet or Notion doc and don't overthink the format. Get weekly specifics. A monthly view isn't enough to execute. Ask the AI for a weekly breakdown. For March, my theme is spring cleaning. Give me 4 weeks of social media post ideas, 1 per week for Instagram and Facebook, targeting homeowners aged 35 to 60 in the suburbs. You get actual concepts to start from, not finished captions. Use a critique loop. Paste your completed calendar back into AI and ask, what gaps or missed opportunities do you see? Are there months where I'm too quiet? Seasonal moments I missed. This often surfaces 3-month stretches with no emails, missed opportunities like Small Business Saturday, or a pattern where every promotion is just a discount. Set up automation. Buffer, free plan for up to 10 posts across 3 channels, schedules social media content automatically. MailChimp is free up to 500 contacts for email. The calendar is a plan, not a content factory. You still have to create the actual content. Quarterly reviews matter. Set a 30-minute reminder every 3 months. Markets shift. Promotions flop. New opportunities appear. Your January calendar shouldn't be locked in by March. You don't need a marketing team or expensive software. Just an hour with free AI and a commitment to write down a plan. That's how you stop scrambling.